it's alright. It's only a moment passing us by.
Morning guys, so namhlanje woke up and decided uba mandibe drained because at the end of the day ubomi sana gone kanje. So I'm currently having breakfast. Today is the 29th of June and we have one more day till the month of June to end, and I just want to make it memorable. I don't want to stress, I don't want to overthink anything. I just want to let go of just, you know, like a snake shedding skin. Like I just want to get old, like away with the old and prepare myself for the new. So I'm currently having breakfast, guys. Breakfast yummy. It's a composure of isinkwa, pizza, mafiyena, muscles, but as long as I eat, let me show you guys. Guys, no, but it's a whole lot of stuff, but I'm just craving to eat that. And so yeah guys, I just came in to say hellos and we'll see what this week has for us. Bye.
So we need to go pick a puzzle. That was like my main reason they're going in, and I want to get like a puzzle stand because we need some way to like be able to move the puzzle, but I didn't see any online. I only saw some on Amazon.
The Match and Match is happening tomorrow. I really pray for safety for everyone, actually, both the people that are matching and those as well that are affected by this. I'm someone I don't like engaging in political things. So I'm not going to speak much about it or my opinion about it. I just pray for safety, no looting, especially because guys, looter is just not good, or burning of shops, or you know, just no violence. That's what I'm praying for. But right now I'm having my wine. I don't know how I feel. I'm definitely not okay, but I'm not okay either. I'm just there. It's just like a feeling that's there. So I'm just drinking my wine and I'm about to listen to music and clean the house. Again, like I've said before, cleaning, guys, is so therapeutic. I finally understand abazali. Oh, and there was my go 5-4 cleaning from head to toe. I get it. I honestly get it. So I'm about to have my wine. It really sucks that I don't have a wine glass because, like, what do you mean? I'm even thinking of a cup, actually. Like, I think this would be much more better than the glass. I think I'm just gonna use the cup. So, yeah, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful one. And yeah, wait, let me rinse the cup because I'm a person that wears glasses. So currently I have the flashlight on and it's really hurting my eyes, guys. Oh my word. But the light in this place is not that good at night. It's not that good at all, like, to be honest, because it's a flat and we ride at the back, so we literally not get any sunlight at all. So yeah, so now I'm using the flash and it's really affecting my eyes. And so guys, we'll talk tomorrow when I catch some sunlight. Hopefully I didn't go easy, because one thing about me is Sana, I'm always ready to cry. Morning guys. Oh, my skin is breaking out. 1, very emotional today. Angazi nje bese ngifike ngathi ngiyakhala, and then as if that situation couldn't get any better. Eating easy coffee with milk. The milk is spoiled. That's okay, chef. I'll drink black coffee. Uthi ngimenza ukudla kwazolo. La sengiplate khona nje ngithi ngiyabona inyama ayisekho. So now I had to go and cook the chicken again because I wanted to eat this full meal. Like that's what I wanted. So nje, but it's just a few days till my period, so it makes sense why I'm like this. I'm currently eating. There's nothing much I've done this week. There's nothing much I'm planning to do this week. Like I did mention on the first video coming here to Durban, because most of the time me coming to Durban, it's mostly me being at home, like being indoors. I don't have anything with going outside. If I didn't need to return that library book or feel the need to return that library book, I wouldn't have left the house. That's the thing about me. So yeah, I've been drinking a lot the past 2 days, so I had to put myself back on a break. I was like, nah. But then it's not like a lot, but I caught myself that no, this is emotional drinking, and it's not good because it gives you this sense of numbness, and then afterwards it just, brings back the emotions. So now in order for you to numb them, what you do, you drink, and I don't like that. So yeah, I'm about to eat, and then I'll be in bed the whole day. To be honest, I'll be in my bed the whole day. But as in, there's something that I'm learning, and what I'm currently learning is, as a person that's always attached, and as a person that's always trying to just, I don't know if that makes sense. I am kind of like learning to just be like, be okay with the idea of things not working my way. One, be okay with the idea of just letting things be or letting people go. Two, but mostly I think it's just my boundaries. Like, I'm very strict on my boundaries lately, and I'm so proud of myself because I'm one person that I could go above and beyond for any other person but myself. So I love the fact that lately I've been choosing myself, I've been putting myself first, and that's all that's important to me. So yeah, guys, I'm about to eat and then be in bed the whole entire time. But guys, I'm not that bad looking for Mutoko. I'm not that bad looking. There's Zushan just being at that color. The ghettos. Let me eat, guys. Should I show you? This is my school. I'm almost approaching my school. Oh. Finally, I got here. This grade 6, Miss Hassan. And I remember, and this is my grade 7, Miss Sadanat class. Miss Sadanat, look. Then, oh my god. Oh my god. Morning, my loves. Honestly, I'm really just forcing myself to be happy. I've been emotional the past few days. I don't know if it's because my period's about to start, whether it's the Mercury retrograde, but something is happening. Anyway, my antidepressant today is, so I saw this trend on TikTok. I feel like I'm already late, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So yeah, get Lorna, as well as, wait, let's talk about the fact that it just is 40 rand. Ngiyana phela ngithi ngiyolanda nje u-1 liter we-liquid fruit uthi 38 rand noma 34 whatever rand, but the fact that it's close to 40 rand for 1 liter of juice, I was like, nah fam, I don't need that much juice in my alcohol anyway. So I grabbed myself lo, cause vele ngiyosithasi inkinga zami zidinga pure alcohol, ngabe ngiphuze sanitizer nje if I could, but asikho lapho. Got myself a cute champagne glass at Paarl Perle, 16 rand, so 17 rand because it was 16.99 for J, just the vibes of feeling cute. So yeah, I'm about to have my first, let me have the first one with you guys, you know. Guys, this is show now. The percentage is 11.5. Is it namagwebu? Hey. I kind of like, it's not that bad, guys. It's not that bad. It's not. Uyabona nje uma ufuna ukudidisa nje ukushaya ngathi singa lo girl. It's a bit strong though. Hey man, I'm not a fan of mimosa, I won't lie. I think I'm just gonna do this for this, but I'm actually enjoying it. But I feel like I will need a grandpa because is that a lot of juice? Mimosa, guys. Exactly what I needed. It's cold. I learned a trick from one of my favorite YouTubers. It's funny, like I'm just so basically she said that like if things to get quickly cold, like the alcohol to get quickly cold, just pour water on it, and then after that, if I freeze that, so that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'll come back for in the next few hours. So blue. Morning, guys. I feel like I don't even have a lot to say. I think this is where I will end my vlog. Currently having coffee as usual, and yeah, it's been one eventful week, but I mean, we keep it going, we keep it moving. So yes, new variety. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, my lovers. Mwah.